So last week we did a poll on our Facebook page, what you'd like to see more of, sailing or Bam Bam?
You chose sailing.
Bugger. So this episode we're going to take a break from our adventures in Kalatra.
And we're going to take you out sailing.
Hey!
Every time we put the bloody camera on, you're just a noisy little whinger.
No wonder nobody wants to see more of you.
I hope you enjoy it, because it's far too early for me right now.
Still probably in an hour or so.
So enjoy. Here we go.
Sailing time! So, Captain!
Right then, first, let off the bang.
Let off the bang.
Now the main, in haul, reef one. Okay, now start pulling on the out haul. That's it. Wait. That car is stuck again. Almost there. Well, fully out. Okay, now put the reef one on. In fact, put everything on. Give everything a good tug.
Let's get our sail on. Yeah, sail.
Okay, that's a close haul.
So turn the engine on. And, what?
2 knots.
That's not fast enough, is it? It's not really sailing, is it?
Not really sailing, 1.4 knots. No.
No. 1.7?
Okay, so now what do you know?
Ready?
Yep. Two knots.
2.3? Come on, we were going way faster than this last time on our sail. That's what 2 knots of going in water looks like. Not very impressive. Are you ready?
Ready?
We're tacking! Tacking!
Ready about?
Aye, Captain!
Helm to lee. Lee ho!
Come back here, you nugget! Oh yeah! Oh, 3 knots!
Picking up speed. 3.5 knots. Of wind.
Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted?
out.
Ready?
Helm to lee. Lee ho. Is that enough now? No? 4.5 knots! Wee!
Oh, wait!
Look how fast we're going!
Have fun, you've got some wind. How you feeling being so tilted over, baby?
Pretty epic.
Are you not entertained? We're going 6 knots, we're sailing along the coast, rough, a bit breezy. That's what you want when you're sailing though, really, isn't it?
The anchorage over there with all the masts, but we've got to go through the sea walls over here and then navigate a rather shallow channel. The anchorage. Screaming along at 6 knots.
What speed are we going, babe?
6 knots.
Oh, wait! Everything's gonna start crashing around!
We'll be in the Canary Islands in no time.
I probably shouldn't be doing this for a shot. Oh! I think that's quite enough for today.
Yeah, we're almost there.
We're going 5.5 knots at the moment, but we need to get the sails in. Do you know what? No, not really. It shouldn't be that fucking hard, baby. Stand loose.
Loosen off the outboard. Watch this little spring.
Out or loose.
Okay, now pull on the in horn. Yeah, that's it. The main is away.
For a nap now. You're happy with seeing some more sailing.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.